So we already unboxed the unit, so we just have to remove these blue tapes here. Okay, remove. And here, also here, and these types. Right. Okay. Also here. So all the blue tapes that is seen, you'll have to remove. Okay. So alright, so after removing the blue tapes, let us prepare the ink. So I have here yellow, magenta, black, and cyan. So just have to open this part here, open here, and then load the ink according to its assigned tank. So for example here, black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. So it should not be interchanged. Okay, first let's load the black. So you just have to align the bottle here and then push. Okay. Okay. You can feel the ink is filling on the tank. Okay, here. Okay. So as you can see the level here, okay, it's rising. Also the technique here to avoid the interchanging of inks to its assigned ink tank, you just have to fill the tank one at a time. Okay, so let's check. So it's already full. Then let's remove. Okay. Alright, so don't forget to cover. The next is yellow. Just have to put the yellow. Okay. Wait. So let's check if the tank is full for yellow. So already filled. Then you just have to remove. Okay, don't forget to cover. The next is magenta. Let's open the magenta bottle. And then load. Wait for a few seconds to settle. By the way, guys, this is Epson L3250. So it has a printer, scanner, and copier. For the copier and scan, maximum page size is up to A4 only. So it also comes with Wi-Fi, so you can print from phone to this printer, or you can connect this printer in to your network so that you can print wirelessly, so you don't have to connect the USB cable, so you can print directly in your printer for as long as you configure this printer in your network. So the magenta is already filled. Next, lastly, it's cyan. Okay, so this is the last one, cyan. So again, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also share this video so that we can help other end users to set up their printer. Right, it's almost done. Let's check for cyan. So for cyan, already filled, so all the tanks are already filled correctly. Okay, so let's just have to remove this one, and then cover. Don't forget to cover. Lock. So next will be, let's turn on the printer. Okay. Okay, let's plug here. So it's already connected here. Okay, at the back. So let's turn on the printer. Alright. So let's just wait. Alright, so we need to initialize this printer. So to initialize, you just have to press this one, 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so 3 seconds. So it is initializing now, so it will charge the ink from here, from the tank, going to the printer head. So this will take about 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, you can use the printer, you can install the printer in your laptop. So again, so let's wait for 20 minutes.